and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about state. But before that, just so you know, when we remove the context object from the next function, you can see that it still returns me two messages. We type start here, and you can see two messages is replied. Why do we need to include the context object then? Well, it is because when we modify the context in one middleware, we want to be able to pass it along to the next middleware to handle the modified context that may contain additional data or process data. One of the ways to do it is by modifying something that is called a state, which allows us to share information between middlewares. So what a state is something you can think of as information that is stored. And the standard way to do it in Telegraph is by storing inside of the state property of the context object. So let's modify the state of the context in our use middleware by typing context.state followed by the name of the property we want to create and a whole information. So in this case, I'll create a property named Apple and I'll store the value 5. And let's console log that out to see what we get. Let me restart the board here. So when I use the start command, you can see that our state has a property that is called Apple and it has the value of 5. And for our next middleware to take in the information, we will call the Apple property. Let me reply the context followed by state and Apple so that we get the next middleware to reply 5. Let me restart the board here. And let's call the start command. And as you can see, it returns me, you use the board and the value 5.